paper airplanes, the advanced model. Hello, and welcome to Videojug Flight School. There's no feeling quite like the immense sense of satisfaction from a paper airplane well made. We're going to talk you through how to make the best paper airplane ever. We asked the Royal Aeronautical Society why this design is so successful.
Variation on the basic paper dart. Again, a lot of weight down the nose, and it's got a big thin area at the back, so this will help with stability in the directional sense, so it'll actually fly in a straight line without deviating sideways.
Here's how it's done. Start with a square of paper. Fold the square in half along the vertical and flatten out again. Next, fold the right-hand side into the centre once again. Do the same on the left-hand side. Next, fold the right-hand side into the centre once again, but don't crease all the way along the length of the plane. Do the same on the left-hand side and unfold. Now, take the top left-hand corner and fold it down to the line you've just made. Unfold. Do the same on the right-hand side and unfold once again. Now, open out your piece of paper once again so that it is a square. Fold the top edge of the paper downwards, creasing at the points of the triangles you've just made. Now comes the tricky part. Take hold of the bottom right-hand corner of the flap that you've just folded over. Bring it upwards so that it's in line with the top of the paper. It should look like this. Unfold. Do the same on the left-hand side, bringing the left-hand corner of the flap up to the top edge of the paper, and crease well. Open out again. Now repeat the fold you've just made with the right-hand side. And with the left-hand side, tuck the corner up into the flap you've just created. It should now look like this. Fold the point of the triangle up to the top of the paper. Turn your sheet of paper over. Now fold the whole thing in half. To make the wings, fold downwards at an angle. Do the same on both sides. Open the wings out, and the plane should look like this.
You have centre of gravity forward, the centre of lift here. It's stable. Be gentle when doing your folding. Take your time, don't worry, and it'll help improve the quality of the aeroplane.